On June 19th on Reggae Hour, we have the honor to reason with a true reggae revolutionary, whose voice, vision and vibration stretched across generations and oceans. He is the founding voice of the legendary Mystic Revealers, a band birthed in Bull Bay, Jamaica in the late 70s, and rooted in Rastafari, resistance, and righteous sound. From anthems like Mash Down Apartheid to performing alongside the Wailers, Rita Marley, Freddie McGregor, and more, this man helped keep the fire of live roots reggae burning even when dancehall ruled the airwaves. But his talents stretch far beyond the stage. He's also a surfing pioneer, a cultural activist, an actor, and the visionary behind Jamaica's first international surf competition, Macca Pro. In 2020, after surviving a devastating fire and rebuilding with his children in a home studio known as Pond de Veranda, he delivered a powerful album, JAH People, proving that roots music still grows strong in the soil of experience and love. This man is more than an artist. He's a cultural torchbearer. Reggae Hour family. Join us June 19th, 2025, with the Lion of Bull Bay, the teacher, the singer, the mystic himself, Billy Mystic of the Mystic Revealers.